What's up guys, welcome to the Dim Sum Tech, where I review stuff that I get online, helping you getting the best bang for your buck and then some. Today I'm gonna talk about the glasses that I got from Eyebuydirect. So let's get real. Buying glasses, especially online, is very scary. You don't know how legitimate they are. You don't know if the frame is gonna look right in your face. And there's just a lot of questions that you have. Today, let's talk about my experience. As you can see from my other video here, the experience that I had was pretty pleasant. From going to the website, uploading my prescription, uploading my pictures and trying it on, and choosing the lenses for my glasses, it's been a breeze. And I got it within 9 days after I ordered it, which is great. I live in California, by the way. The quality of these glasses, they are very sturdy, even if they're just a house brand frame. You know, they're not Ray-Ban, Oakley, or anything like that, but they feel good. The hinges are very nice. It takes some effort just to flip it open and close. With my kind of prescription here, I have a very high prescription. It's -6 and -6.25. My lenses are gonna be pretty thick, and that's something that I have to live with. However, it really blows my mind when they are selling 1.74 high index lens. The result of that is, even with my heavy prescription, my lenses are still considerably thin. One of the luxury that you get from buying a cheap glasses like this is you don't have to baby it. You can just beat it up. You can be rough with it. I haven't cleaned this with warm water and soap or anything like that. I just use my shirt and just wipe it like that. Because it's cheap. If it's broken, then I just buy another one. No problem. I'm not handcuffed to any vision insurance. I don't have any limit on how many glasses I can get in 1 year. I can order as many as I want, if I want to. One of the features that I added to my glasses are party glasses right here. That's what it's called. They said it's Swarovski crystal. Okay, so there's a really important thing that you need to know if you're buying glasses from Eyebuydirect. Their TryOn feature cannot be trusted. What you do is you go to your app store and download application for Warby Parker. They are another online eyeglasses retailer, and they have a virtual reality try-on feature that lets you look at yourself wearing the glasses on real time, which Eyebuydirect sadly doesn't have. Now you're probably wondering, then why didn't you buy glasses from Warby Parker? Telling you right now, Eyebuydirect has the best lenses ever. They have, again, the party glasses that has diamond right here, and also they have the best, the highest index lens that you can find online right now, at least to my knowledge. They have 1.74 high index lens. So when you have a heavy prescription like mine, that is something that you must have. You can't go with 1.6 something because it's gonna be really thick. Your lenses are still gonna be pretty thick with those kind of index. Warby Parker only goes up to 1.6 something. Eyebuydirect goes to 1.74. So that's why I went with Eyebuydirect. So when I went to Warby Parker, I tried on the frame that looks like this one. I'm guessing they're using the same sizing technique. So yeah, that's what I did. I went with Warby Parker virtual reality try-on feature, and then I bought it from Eyebuydirect, which is funny. The try-on feature on Eyebuydirect give me a picture of my face with these glasses really small, and I felt like, wow, that can't be right. I tried uploading 3 different pictures, they all suck. But then I went with Warby Parker virtual reality try-on feature, and it looked good. So I believe that app. I took a gamble and bought it from Eyebuydirect, and then I got it as expected. Warby Parker, thank you for the app. So yeah, hopefully this video helped you if you guys are looking to buy glasses online. Eyebuydirect is where it's at. I have a referral link down below. I think you can get $10 off your first order, so enjoy that. If you enjoyed this video, like it. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I've posted videos about tech mostly and technique of buying stuff online. Hopefully this video is helpful for you, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.